The 2020 Mercedes-AMG G63 Yachting Edition by Carlex Design. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is a popular SUV among enthusiasts and aftermarket companies alike. This time, Carlex Design Europe has laid its hands on the boxy beauty and gave it a special treatment. Called the Yachting Limited Edition, this design is a «marine» version of the iconic Mercedes G63 AMG, as Carlex puts it. The company has made a few tweaks to the exterior, but most of the changes come inside the cabin. With all the light shade leather and wood trim on the interior, it looks pretty neat, doesn't it? What's different on the outside? The Carlex G63 Yachting Limited Edition is painted in a dual-tone shade. The upper half features a satin black color, whereas the lower can be had in either polar white or brushed silver. Up front, the star logo is swapped with Carlex's logo on the grille. Carlex lettering is also present at the tip of the hood. The headlights and bumpers are retained. The side profile features a black strip running from the fenders to the end of the vehicle. The G63 Yachting Edition rides on 22-inch brushed wheels wrapped in low-profile tires. In the rear, things are the same except for a custom wheel cover. The design gives a strong nautical vibe to this marine-themed SUV and it looks pretty good. The interior lives up to the nautical theme. The first one comprises of off-white leather with Alcantara, whereas the second version makes use of cognac leather with light accents. The seats come with shoulder pads finished.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.